Burrum Shores Beachfront Campground is a welcoming environment where everyone from first-time campers to seasoned adventurers can connect with nature, discover the wonders of the outdoors, and cultivate a lifelong love for camping. Renowned for its unspoiled beaches, pristine waterways, and rich wildlife, a haven for fishing, boating, and outdoor enthusiasts. It offers a peaceful retreat surrounded by natural beauty. The town itself is tucked away between Woodgate and Harvey Bay. It has everything you need for a comfortable stay, with a local food works, Burrum Head's Bakery Cafe, and Burrum Head's Butchery to stock up on all your essentials you'll need for camping.
Hey guys, we're at Burrum Head's Campground Beachfront. I love it. I don't want to go home. Oh, it's a bit windy here, you can probably hear that, but we'll get through. And we're lucky enough to bring our boy today, so I'll just head on over. So, AJ, look at the camera. AJ, hey buddy. Hey, AJ, look at the camera. AJ, psst, say hello. All right. Hey baby.
G'day campers, welcome back to Campspot Reviews. Today we're at Burrum Shores Beachfront Campground. An awesome spot on Queensland's Fraser Coast, nestled on 70 acres of natural beauty with direct beach access, as you can see. This place has it all: fishing, swimming, and pure coastal vibes. Stick around as we finish setting up camp, chase some fish, and cook a cracking campfire. And we'll give you the full lowdown of this spot. Let's get into it. So this is like the community kitchen. Anyone's allowed to use these barbecues and kitchen area. Oh, look at that old one. That's cool. The fridge there. Yeah, so anyone's allowed to use these. There's smokers and barbecues here that all the campers can use. It's pretty cool. Good old Traeger grill, smoker. Actually got a shower at this campground for once instead of bathing in a dam or a river. It's good they got showers. And toilet must be on the other side. Hey buddy. So I found the toilets. Plenty to choose from. Awesome. Good facilities. Go baby, you got something. Oh, she's on. No. Oh, it looked like it. Is it just the tide and current? Can you feel anything? Ah, it looked like it.
I'm stuck on your line.
Oh, it's my line and seaweed.
Look at that.
It's my line.
It's just seaweed.
Big stingray just there. Babe, a stingray. Massive one. Yeah. Nah, I won't get too close. That's massive. If you're fast, he's not going too fast. Alright, I'll leave him alone. Oh, there he's off. Well, there's the first fish I caught. He was just swimming here. I think he's got a swim bladder problem because he just washed up. Oh, there he goes. No, he was just floating like that.
He's dying.
He's dying, but he wasn't dead. Oh, my little fella. don't know what he is.
I don't know.
Thought he was a little brim, but I'm not sure. We'll let him go. He might. I should try and burp him. I think he's got a swim bladder problem like the goldfish. So I put some kangaroo in this thing about 4 hours ago, 4 or 6 hours ago. I can't actually remember. But it should be all nice and smoked by now. Look at that. It's definitely shrunk a lot. That's some kangaroo for you. That's awesome. We're going to take it off and cut it up and have a go at it. So after cutting up the kangaroo, this is what we got. And it's actually beautiful. I did a honey glaze to it with spices. I didn't have enough time to actually do my own marinade, which is usually Vegemite and a few other things. But this in the Traeger smoker turned out really good. Look at the colour on that. That's just with a honey glaze. It's turned out beautiful. And yeah, so kangaroo is a lean red meat. It's probably one of the leanest red meats. It's only got 2% body fat in the entire animal. So normally, like, if you're gonna cook it, you gotta cook it fast and fierce. So, you know, you can overcook it. You can make it tough. It's got, you know, but this smoker just made it beautiful, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. And happy that this park gives all these barbecues and smokers just to all their guests to just try, like, to just use at their willingness, like, just have a go. You know, it provides the wood chips and the apple wood and all the things that make this, like, I don't know, that's what gave it that colour and that flavour. And this is the best kangaroo I've ever had in my life, and it's lovely. Yeah, very happy with it.
Don't take a photo of me.
Don't take a photo of you.
No, babe. I'm putting my socks on.
Your socks and your Crocs.
Socks and Crocs. It's freaking cold.
So, what are you cooking?
Chicken and herb sausages, babe.
Yum.
Lovely.
And bacon and eggs.
Yeah, bacon and eggs, yes. It's taking a while. Show my lights, they're pretty cool.
They are cool. How much are they?
$3 I think off Temu.
They're cool. We got 4 different colour ones. They're pretty good for, like, a couple of batteries. Be better if they're solo.
Yeah, solo would be better, hey?
Yeah. Well, it's a different kind of dinner, but it's gonna be good. More breakfast type foods, but
Okay.
hey, the damper's in the fire, so I'll have damper as well. No, we'll do kangaroo tomorrow.
Yeah. The smell is terrible.
You're not a fan of it?
No.
That's funny.
Fireplace out and
I wonder if people will, yeah.
definitely smell it.
That's funny.
I should have bought a bottle of Bailey's.
Oh my god. Not a bad view to wake up to. Well, that's it from us at Burrum Shores Beachfront Campgrounds. It's been a good time. We really liked it here. It's right on the beach, as you can see, so you can just fish from your campsite. It's really good for families, like those little kids cruising around there on their push bikes and like running up and down. It's really good. All the guests seem to enjoy themselves here, just like sitting in the serenity of like this beautiful place, fishing and it's like a real bush to beach campground, because it's like, it feels like a farm that side, and then it's the beach right here. So it's a really good experience. We highly recommend it.
We'll be definitely back.
Yeah, so that's it from us though. We gotta pack up and get out of here. Get this fella some rest, because he's done a fair bit in the last few days.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Alright, till next time. Catch us.